Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'll be braiding using Brazilian wool, my moisturizer, red tail comb, gel, some hair clips and water.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let some air down.
I braided the first 2 rows off camera. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do knotless twist using Brazilian wool. Cut the wool into your desired length. Take 1 strip, 2 strip and 3 strips of hair. After that, you'll do a block and start to braid it. You will braid it twice, and then you'll take the first strip of hair and braid it with, as you guys could see, and then you'll take your second strip of hair and braid it with, and you take your third piece of hair and then you braid it with it. You'll braid it twice with 3 strands, and then you separate the third piece and turn your strands into 2. After that, that is when you start to twist your hair. So I'll be showing you guys how to twist, but before, let me loosen up my strand because I do not want it with a tight grip. So now let's get back to it. With your 2 strands, this is how you will twist your hair. First things first, you take 1 piece of hair and twist it inwards. And then you take the other piece of hair and twist it outwards. And then you twist the 2 together. After reaching your desired length, you'll take a strip of hair, put your index finger on it, and then make the hair around, tie it underneath, and tighten that grip. So as you guys could see, I will be explaining this in depth. So you take the third strand, take a strip out and join it with your second strand so that there are 2 strands. When you have 2 strands left, you start twisting. This is why it is important to detangle your fiber at the end so that you do not struggle like me.
Say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling on, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But Maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to.
And this is the final product. I hope you guys could see. I ended up burning the ends off camera. Yeah, but then this is the style. Now this is the look. This is some lightweighted piece. Hopefully you guys will be trying this look out. Tell me we're looking hot. Bye guys.
So kindly please like, subscribe, and comment down below.